see that door. Twisted Sister right here. So what we're gonna do is a little friendly persuasion with the skid steer and some 2x4s. So, one-handed close. There you go. Quick fix. This trailer is back on the road and we're on to fixing the next thing. So, we'll see you at the shop. What's going, guys? Okay, we're at a burnt down building. We gotta do a demo here, and the customer also wants a proposal to take out all these trees. Let's check if it's open. Maybe it's open. That's the pool, man. Skull. Pee Wee Herman's red bicycle. They painted it black though. This is all coming down. These trusses can come out. We'll take these trusses. These are good trusses. Look at these 30-foot trusses. 2 of them. I think 1 day to knock it down. 2 days of hauling.
Okay.
Plus the concrete's gonna take a day. So that's 3 days, and then we gotta haul in 2 days. I think we can do it in a week.